Welcome to my house of Cadillac parts at Caddy Daddy. And this is our showroom, and we've got a little bit of new old stock parts in here, and eventually we'll be building this wonderful display. This is parts that I've just pulled from our inventory, and these are all going to be installed on the 59 Cadillac Eldorado Baritts that we're building right now. So around this corner we've got our photography studio. So come on back. It's always a little crowded, but we've got the ability to make great photography of anything and any size item that we have. And currently we're working on putting all these items up for sale, as well as we carry some merchandise in this area. New old stock body clips and fender skirt supports, all sorts of clips that we have for sale. But eventually this will be where the 59 Cadillac Eldorado Baritts will live. And when you walk in the door, it'll be on display. So this is our shipping department behind you, and we work with all the correct size boxes, all the packing materials. We stage the product, we keep all the orders, and we like to use nice clean wrapping paper on specialty items. Come on back, follow me to my area where I sort parts, because I can't keep up with it. I'm supposed to have this table clean. This is typically pretty good because normally it's stacked up to here. This is where everybody who wants to take a snack can have a little great snack, and pretty cool, huh? So in this whole section, we've got a lot of rebuilt switches, new old stock switches, and reproduction switches. If you look at the particular boxes, like something like this, you'll see that the product is for sale. If it's flipped over, we don't have it in stock. We get them back periodically from time to time. We have a lot of new old stock headlight switches, neutral safety switches, and on and on. Oh, turn signal switches. What we've got here is one half of our inventory on decals. On the other side of this shelving system are more decals. Original factory reproduction rubber floor mats. We have several years and several colors in stock. So if that's something you need, look us up online or give us a call. So this is where our massive weather stripping department starts. There's to the right of me, window sweeps. To the left of me, window sweeps. Sometimes they're called fuzzies. We've got all the little parts from 1936 to 1993 that are produced. There's still a lot of parts that nobody makes, and we get them from many sources. We've got windshield gaskets, back gaskets, we've got vent window rubber, we've got roof rail rubber, we've got vent division rubber. If you've never seen this part before, I'll show you. This is a freshly made part. This goes on a 57 and 58 Cadillac. You know it if you got one of those cars. In the back, these are vents. They're made with steel, and they're a really nice part. Only can get them at Caddy Daddy. It used to be that we'd have a very small box for one item, and we'd have 4 or 5 in there, and then we started having more requests, so we had to make bigger boxes. So that's what we've been doing, just so we could keep up. So we try to have everything that you want in stock when you order it and not be back ordered. So what we got on the top shelf are the brand new replacements for booster master cylinders. These are much safer than what was available when your car was built brand new. And all of this whole department has to do with brakes, from brake hoses to kits that will redo your brake systems. We've got wheel cylinders, all the different years that are available. master cylinders for your current replacement. Not every one is made. And we've got tons of kits to rebuild your original brake booster master cylinders. Now we're going to start getting into fuel. So this is what we carry in fuel pumps in stock. We carry reproductions and we carry original ones when they're available for rebuilt. They're in stock just like your factory one was. Underneath is gas tank sending units. We've got carburetors and we have more carburetors. We do sell a lot of rebuilt carburetors because people need them right away. What we've got in this section is commonly known as hood pads or hood insulation, and we carry them from 1953 on up. This is our antenna department. We've got masts for quite a few years. Unfortunately, we don't have any from the 60 back, but we do have 61 to 76 antenna masts. We have lots of bezels in stock. We have lots of leads and little parts and radio knobs, from convertible top rams to motors to hoses. These units right here, they're put in the car for lining the tops in the well. We even have original firewall pumps rebuilt in stock and reproduction ones. This is a very, very popular item. It goes on the vent on the top of the little sun visors because it rattles a lot. And I just put a set on my 64, so they'll work out really nice. We've got seat belts, harmonic balancers, and even further we have glove box inserts starting at 1936. And in our other warehouse, we've got another 2,000 square feet of parts. We've got glove box inserts going up until about the late 70s. They would be used. So these are all the reproductions, and they stop at 1960. And after that, 61, nobody makes a reproduction glove box. We still have a few used ones left. New old stock Cadillac part, we've got them, and we have them all sorted by their part number. We have a ton of new old stock Cadillac parts in boxes, and maybe 50 or 60 of these boxes we just haven't even got to sort them yet. If you can just enjoy this label, this is a true original part back in it's a 1954 part. It's a great way they used to display them. Well, this is pretty much the main building of many buildings that we have, and we've got many trailers and tents full of parts, and we'll get to that as quickly as possible.
Well, congratulations. You've reached the end of one of our videos. Now we've got more. Maybe you could click on one of these ones here and I can get out of the shop one of these days.